Hey guys, Samsung's Galaxy S10 series has been getting all the attention since it went on sale earlier this month. There are reviews popping up on virtually all tech sites and on YouTube channels. Nevertheless, it appears Samsung has more high-end devices scheduled for the first half of the year, as recently they announced there is another event next month. The official Samsung mobile Twitter account recently revealed that there will be an event on 10th of April 2019. The event will also be live streamed on Samsung.com. Now the tweet itself doesn't reveal the device that will be launching there, but as you can see in this teaser, it says a Galaxy event, which means it is going to be a Galaxy A series launch event. And further, as you can see in this teaser, it shows the fully bezel-less Samsung phone, which will be the Galaxy A90 with no notch, no hole and no bezels. But instead of these, the Galaxy A90 will have a pop-up and rotating camera. Yes, the pop-up and rotating camera both in a single device. And as shown in the teaser, it shows at least 3 devices going to launch at 10th of April, in which the Galaxy A90 will be the first one with a 6.3-inch 1080p LCD display and with a 48 megapixel main camera, which also works as a front camera, and it will be powered by Exynos 9610 10nm processor. Now as far as the other devices are concerned, the Galaxy A60 might also get launched at that event. Yes, this is the Galaxy A60 with its beautiful punch hole display design, and as you can see, punch hole is actually very smaller here. In fact, this is even smaller than the S10 family. Now along with the Galaxy A90 and A60, Samsung is also planning to launch Galaxy A40, which will have a 5.9-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, Exynos 7904 processor, 16 plus 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera on the back, and with slightly lower 3100 mAh battery. And there might be one more device, which is Galaxy A20e, as Samsung UK recently listed with A40 and A90. So yeah, that's all we have in this video. Let me know what you think about it, and please subscribe to the channel for more future content. And yeah, see you soon.